as it was the first night.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Thank you, darling.
So from the fiddle and the fiddle music for the square dancers on the Grand Ole Opry, a great artist walked to the microphone one night and sung a song and almost got fired because he sung instead of played the fiddle. And I want you to do the first song that you sung on the Grand Ole Opry.
I'm going to try to do it. You got me nervous now. No, but listen, well, on our way down, see, for the audition, this is all a true story that I tell. We talked about what to do on the program. But knew that I was going to fill in for Arthur Smith, one of the finest of the fiddlers at that time. And I said, well, I ought to sing The Great Speckled Bird. They said, no, they want you to fiddle. I said, yes, but all of our mail in Knoxville is for The Great Speckled Bird. And I said, I think that I'm looking for a job down there, not just to fiddle. I'm going to get on if I can. And I finally talked them into letting me sing The Speckled Bird, and that's where the mail come in from. So we'll do it.
Let's hear it, will you, Roy?
Thank you. What a beautiful thought I am thinking concerning a great speckled bird. Remember, her name is recorded on the pages of God's holy word, desiring to lower her standard. They watch every move that she makes. They long to find fault with her teaching, but really they find no mistake. I am glad I have learned of her meekness. I am proud that my name is on her book, for I want to be one, never fearing the face of my Savior's true love. When he cometh descending from heaven on the clouds as he writes in his word, I'll be joyfully carried to meet him on the wings of that great speckled bird.